It's time. We are going to plan week 26 in my Laurel Denise planner. This is the Kristy. This is my favorite thing to do every week is sit down with you and set up my planner. This week, I cannot wait because we made last minute plans and I'm going to set up my planner and show you what we are doing. Yeah, I'm so excited. So let's turn this around and let's do it. Here is a look back at last week, week 25. I used the Cocoa Daisy Classic Cousin sticker set. I don't know why that tongue ties me. Classic Cousin sticker kit. And I do have these left over and these to do as headers for this coming week. Let's just look back real quick. So this was June. I used different things every week. I thought this was really fun. This was last week, a little bit more mod, and then we have this week. But we have some fun plans this week that I want to jazz it up. And I'm not really sure these are going to do the thing. So what I did is I pulled out my Planner Kate little sticker book to see what I had in here. And I've organized it by month. As you can see, I have little stickers, February, March, and some months there were not as many weeks. So I had 5th weeks. So I have some of these that I could use, but I'm looking for, and I would have to make, these could work. So let's pull these out for the week. Now I don't have, I'd have to find the numbers, or I could write them in, or I could use the rest of these maybe on there. I could use these navy and pink. So let's look at this and see, maybe we'll use these, but there's May. Oh no, these are the wrong ones. I bought these by mistake. And then I'm looking to see, there's probably, are these the same color? Those look like almost the same color. I'm sure I have more numbers, little dot numbers to fill in that I didn't use. I'd have to kind of do a deep dive in here, but I don't think I do. So these are kind of the leftovers that I have. And remember last week, or the one in the July monthly, I was talking about using more of these and more of these kind of doodles. So there is that. I wonder if, for instance, if I pull this out, what's left on these? Yeah, there are no more numbers, so they would have been in there. So I used them all up, but I do have that. So these are 2 different pinks that I could use. So let's pull those aside. I'll put this over here, put this back, and then let's tell you what I've got, what I'm thinking, and see what works better. I'm going to leave this open on the side so I can play with it. So we are going to go to Disney for 2 nights. I'm so excited. So I think I want to use one of these. And since I haven't used this one yet, they're like little tiny like sparklers like this. I may use this one. Now this is from the Main Street shop, and I don't think these are available anymore, but I'll link what I can. And then I do have this sticker set. Now this is for the classroom. So this is a teacher one, but I don't mind because I love all the characters, and look at all the colors, right? We've got these with the little Mickey heads. And so these colors could work really well with this. Look at this, noted. I love these little squiggly lines, meeting with Minnie. These cute things, what do they say? They say call. And then there's this, sick day, half day, day off. This is really cute. Ooh, look at the gold. And then these are fun too. What else have we got? Pencils we don't really need. I love this. These are like, I may have to use this. And then some, these are great to put over here. And again, I'm okay with them being a teacher book because they're just on point. So let's look through. There's so many good ones. I just love all these. Okay, so let's set it up. And I'm going to use this turquoise one because I haven't used this one before. And let's see how this goes. I did quickly look through all my stickers and realized I did have these. So I can use these numbers. So I think I want to use the brighter ones, I think, or then these. These are a little bit bluer and these are a little more pink. Not sure, but I'm looking at this with it. They both look well. I think I'm going to use this one. So that I'm going to use that, and then I think I'm going to use these numbers because I have them. I also have this Disney sticker kit from Happy Planner, and I have been using this a lot. This has spring items because we used a lot during Easter, and then this is their summer sticker kind of selection. So I could mix these with this one as well. I don't know if this matches as well. What have we got? I kind of want to move it around, change it. This yellow is kind of fun. This kind of goes with some of these. Ooh, aren't these fun? Like under the water. This is kind of fun. Oh, I kind of love that. So then it gets into fall. So then this is this, and then maybe add some of these as well. I love some of these. And where are the ones that I thought were really cool? These, I love these. So these look like small dashes. I can't see if they're all the way. This one may be this long one, maybe that one maybe goes to here. So that may be good along the top. So let's see, let's play with this. I'll be quiet and I'll see what I can get up to. I think that's everything that I want to put in here. I do have a list of things I want to buy that I didn't get last time, and I want to see if they're still there. And I'm going to fill in sort of what parks we're in and what we have sort of to do on these days. And then this. But I did do the weather. I don't know if you can see this, but it's 96 degrees, 97, 94, 92. It's going to be really hot. And then 79% rain. So clearly Wednesday is going to be rain, but we'll be heading back then. So this is a quick look. And it's kind of fun. I don't know, maybe I should add another sticker here, but I need to do some to-dos for this. And I just thought this was kind of fun. And who knows, maybe I'll add more, but come back next week and we'll see if there is more things. I love how this turned out. Every week is different. Every week is just creative with what I have, and to be able to pull out some of those stickers and put them in here was really fun. I do really like these Happy Planner sticker books, kits. This one, which I was using today, is the current classroom one for Disney. So there are a lot of school stuff in here, as you probably saw when I was flipping through, or maybe not. It's got lessons and things like that that are more for teachers, but I just didn't see any books, Disney books, that didn't have just one character. This one had a lot of them, and I thought they were really, really cute. And so I will use these interspersed between the different times we travel. I do think these little washi strips are really cute, and I'm glad I was able to throw them in there. They're very subtle, but I think they're really fun and happy with the little Mickey heads in it and stuff. So this is a fun spread. This will be a happy week for me to plan and put things in here. So it is a little bit different. I did not use my Cocoa Daisy stickers this week, and that's totally fine. I like that I was able to go into my, here it is, into my saved stickers and find things that would work for this week. And so definitely hold on to your old stickers, because you never know when they will come in handy. I have a lot of these like appointment ones. These are July 4th, so maybe I'll actually pull these for when we're doing July. And so yeah, I mean, so useful. So glad I was able to incorporate some other ones that I had in my stash. And now I do need to think about organizing all of the newer stickers I've got, because this is really the only book I have for them, and it's pretty full. So I need another organization thing. Right now I'm just using the boxes from Laurel Denise that the planners come in, and I've just been using that to house my stickers, but I think it would be good if I did it by month or color or something. I don't need to overthink it, but it is nice to be able to find them when you need them. So just being that I had these in here, I marked them by month, was very convenient and made that search so much easier than flipping through boxes trying to find stickers. So that's about it for today, for week 26. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, leave me a comment. What do you do when you have vacation weeks? Do you change things up, make them fun and all that? You've probably seen me do that a bunch of times, because I love doing travel weeks or travel little trips in my planner. It just makes it so much fun. I also like having the weather to see what's going on around me, know what to pack, what not to pack, what's coming up. Especially here, we get a lot of rain. It pretty much rains every day, but it is kind of good to have an idea. And it's going to be hot. It's going to be so hot. Last week, or this week that we're currently in, we had a bunch of severe storms, and that broke the humidity, but it's still really hot. So wherever you are, I hope you have good weather. I hope you're enjoying the summer. This is the longest day today when I'm recording this, so happy summer solstice to you. And I hope you have a great day wherever you are, wherever you're watching this. And I will see you next week in the next video, which is week 26.